Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our APM concept series, in this video we will discuss how to automate screen recording in APM. Okay, so we'll discuss with these three methods. That is a start recording screen, start recording screen with options, and stop recording screen. Okay, so we have one method called start recording screen. Okay, this will start recording process with the default options. Okay, the default options will be with bit rate. The default value will be 4 megabytes per second. Okay, and the video size will be 1280 into 720, that is the HD quality, and the time limit will be 180 seconds if you use this method. Okay, and suppose I want to customize with my own options here. Okay, with it, so as you know that with bit rate, the 4 byte per second, right? Suppose I want to increase to 10 byte per second, I had to use this method with the option called with bitrate. So this bitrate will be used to improve the video quality. Okay, and video size also. Suppose I want to record with the HD quality resolution, that is the 680 into 480, that is the width and height of the HD resolution. Okay, so I can customize it. Suppose I want enabled bug report. Okay, so at the end of the video I want the display the on report. Okay, so I had to use this option here. And suppose I want to with time limit. Okay, maximum is 180 seconds and minimum is 0 seconds. Okay, minimum is 1 second, minimum is 1 second. Okay, suppose I want to record the video with time limit of 10 seconds, so I can specify this option here. Okay, same, we have two more options, that is enable force restart. See what this will do, whether to ignore the result of the previous capture and start a new recording immediately. Okay, if you use this option. And we have one more option, disable force restart, whether to return silently if there is any active video recording going on. Okay, these two options we can use it. And to stop recording, we use this method called stop recording screen. Okay, so now we'll see it in practically. Okay, let's open the I already running this emulator. Now I'll open the Eclipse. I create a class says screen recording test. Screen recording test. Okay, so quickly I write the before class and after class and test here. So I am using test ng here. So I say setup void okay, and use public void tear down method here. And so I am using multiple tests here, so I use before class test ng annotation. Just import the test ng annotation here, and I use after class annotation for tear down. Okay, so it is done. Now I write the capabilities here. Okay, as we are using Android here, so I say UI automator, two options, cap new UI automator, two options here. So quickly create the capabilities, set platform name, say as Android, and capability, set automation name, so I am using UI Automata 2, and next capability I need to add is set device name. So my device name is Pixel 8 Pro. Okay. The next capability I provide is app package and app activity. Get app package. Sorry, I had to use set. Set app package. So I give the package name here. Okay, and set app activity. Okay, and next capability I say set no reset. I say as true. Okay, next I create a driver, Android driver. Say I say private Android driver, driver, and I have to use the driver here, driver new Android driver. I use this one. So new URL TPS, the host name of my Appium driver, and the default port 4723. Okay, let's say driver dot manage I give timeout here, timeouts dot implicit wait, duration of seconds. I say 10 seconds here. Okay, quickly I import java.net. Okay, and I say throws, declare the throws here. Okay, so my setup method is done here. Okay, I need to get the package name and activity name. Okay, so in tear down I say as if driver is not equal to null, say driver dot quit. Okay, I close the driver here. So my tear down is done. Okay, now I need to get the package name, activity name. Okay, so for this demo I am using this API demos app. Okay, and I click on views and then animation and then 3D transit, and then I click on the first option, second option and the third option to record to see the different screen recording types. Okay, so for this one I need to get the package name and activity name. Okay, so quickly run the command prompt. So we have one command called adb cell dumsys window displays grep -e single quotation m current focus. So this is my app package. Okay, so I am using this app package name in different in a lot of places. So I create one says app package. I provide the value here, and I create one more string option called app activity. And I copy from this command prompt. Sorry, I had to give this one. The activity should be the first page. Okay, so once again I run the command here. Okay, I take this activity. Okay, okay, and this I pass these variables here. That is the package, and this is the activity. Okay, so my setup, okay, before class and after class, that is setup and the tear down are done. Okay, CS is not required, it is not there. Okay, yeah, so now we will come to the, so before class and after class is done. Okay, now the first option what we'll do is we will record this activity. That is, click on open the app, click on views, then animation, then 3D transition, then click on this first option. So this thing we need to record. Okay, so what I will do, quickly create one method. It says public void and record test one, I say. Okay, I created one method. Okay, I say this is the test annotation. Quickly import the test ng annotation here. Okay, and now I had to click on this views, this one, right? Already I have captured this locators values. These are locator values. So quickly I create, I take this one, simply I write the code here. So I say driver dot find element, okay, appium by dot, so this is accessibility ID, so I just give the views here, just give the views, okay, click, I need to click on that one. Okay, the same thing, copy here, so this is for views, click on views, and then I go for animation. The next method is a 3D transit. Okay, and next one, okay, it is driver dot find element appium by, this is Android UI automator. Okay, so I copy this one and place this locator value here. This is locator type and this is the locator value. You also want to click here. Okay, and now this process I need to record. Okay, now I am using default recording with default options here. Driver dot, we have a method called start recording. See, when I move here, it says starts the screen recording process with the default options. Okay, I'm not providing any options here, so I click here and this will start the recording process. Okay, so I say okay, and after recording I need to stop. Okay, I use driver dot stop recording screen. Okay, see, when I use this method, it will return the base 64 encoded content of the recorded media file. Okay, so I use this method and this will return. Okay, I'll say as string. I'll save in a string variable here and I say record. So I am storing this content in a string. Okay, then what I will do, I will encode it. Okay, I will encode it. This is a way to process. Okay, I say byte array. Okay, I say encode. Okay, and I say base. The return is base 64 dot get decoder dot decode string, right? I had used string here, so string is record here. So from the string format I am encoding it in a byte. Okay, and then I need to write this result, okay, this media file in a new file called format mp4 dot mp4. Okay, I say I use file utility. Okay, file utility dot. Okay, I need to take the other one here. File utility okay, so I say file utilities. Okay, write. Okay, byte array. See the byte array, right, to file here. Okay, this method I am using here. So I say new file. New file, and I had to provide the name of the file here. Okay, so I say recording clip. Okay, I say 1.mp. The format is .mp4 format. Okay, and this is the, so let's say just copy import this one. Yeah, you throws here. Okay, and see, I have got the start recording screen default one, and I have stopped the recording screen, and then I am passing this to a string, and then I am entering decode, and I am saving this media file in this file called recording clip 1 mp4 format. Okay, this is the for default screen. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just write the comment here. Screen recording with default options. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll just this out here. So I print the in the console. here I say started screen recording with default options. Okay, I just copied wrongly here. Okay, here I do. Yeah, so with the default screen recording I'm using here. So I'm just printing in the console started screen recording with default option. Okay, and I had to say same thing. I say I print in console saying screen recording stopped, screen recording stopped. Okay, now what I will do, so in the process I need to explain it, so I use some thread dot slip here so that I get some time to explain in the what exactly happened in the each and every line. Okay, so I say here, so thread dot slip I use 5 seconds I am using. So this is not actually needed, but in the process, when the script is running, I can explain it. I can get some time to explain what exactly happening in our script. Okay, so I am using this one, so I keep here. I say here also I'll keep it. I say I'll keep it here also. Okay, so that I can explain that. I get some time to explain it. Okay, this is for default screen recording with default options. Okay, next one is we'll create with the screen recording with different options. Okay, so for that one I create one more test here. Okay, that is public void record test 2. Okay, this is recording with options. Okay, so just copy here all these things instead of wasting time. I just copy here. So add the throws to the method declaration, and here I had to provide the options here. Okay, with options, not without default option, with options. Okay, and here also I say this thing with recording to add throws here. Okay, so better to use, always use try and catch. Okay, for this demo video I'm using this option. Okay, and we had to use new, we have a class called start Android start screen recording. Okay, we had to use this option here. Android screen recording. Okay, new. Okay, this class we are using Android start screen recording options. So when you click on dot, we get these options. Okay, the first one I give has time limit. So time limit I give as 10 seconds. Okay, and next option I use dot I say disable force restart. Okay, this option I used. And next one is I just okay, next one is what it says. Okay, and just a minute. Okay, and I say with bit rate. Okay, as you know that it is the 4 byte per second side, and now I'll give the 10 seconds here. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3. this is a 10 bytes per second. Okay, and now so I mentioned the bit rate, that is the quality of the video. Okay, it specifies the quality of the video. And now dot, and now I have to specify. Okay, yeah, so it should be the duration of seconds. I say as 10 seconds, and bit rate I have provided 10 megabyte per second. Now is the, I say as video size. I provide the video size. It will be string, so I'll use as the SD quality. Okay, so the SD quality will be 640 into 480. So this is the video size I am providing here. Okay, and I have to provide in the, it is string, so I provide in double quotation. So in previous test we have provided a default. Okay, not provide any options here, it will record with the default options here. In second test I am providing the options here with the timeline 10 seconds with bit rate 10 bytes per second, and the video size I am providing. So one more option I provide, that is the enable bug report. Okay, I say enable bug report. So at the end of the video we can see the one log there. Okay, so all these four options I provided with timeline, with bit rate, this is quality of the video, and this is resolution of the video. It talks about with bit rate. See, it talks about the video quality. Okay, and with video size it talks about the resolution or width and height. Okay, default it will provide the HD quality of 1280 into 720, but I provided is the quality, I want resolution quality as standard definition is HD quality, SD quality. Okay, and I want the enable bug report also. At the end of the video I want the log also. Okay, so this is with options. Okay, and this is the, I said, test annotation. Okay, so this is one and this is one. So I would say as a priority, I put the priority here. So first I had to run this one. Priority equal to 1, and here I say this is second test I need to run, so I say priority 2. Okay, so in second test I am running with options here. Okay, options. I will create one more test so that you can show the difference between the enable bug report and without enable bug report. Okay, I'll create one more test. So just copy here. We need to do some small modifications. So I remove this so that we see the difference between what is without enable bug report and with enable bug report. So I am removing this one. Okay, I am not changing anything here, and that duration also. Okay, just I change the name 3, and here also I need to change some modification. I have to do 3 here. So clip 3 and clip 2 and clip 1. So it will get the 3 files here. Okay, so just quickly go through it. Okay, so what I will do in second option, instead of clicking on first option, I click on this one. Okay, so I click on this one so that we can get the difference. Second one, I give this one. Okay, so we have 2 tests. What exactly I changed here is, so views, animation. So in the first option, it will click on first option, so it will come, so that it will differentiate. And second test, I'll click on this one, liver more. Okay, so that we get the different image. and in third test, I click on Great Canyon. Okay, that is what I provided here. Okay, so test 1 and test 2, test 3. Okay, so we can see the difference here. So just to go through it. So in test 1, I have provided the without I have provided any options here. I am going with the default screen recording with the default options here. Okay, so I have provided the file recording clip 1 here. And second with options. Okay, with options, and I can say options bitrate 10 MB per second, and I say as video size 640 into 480. Okay, and with bug report, so that I can print this thing in my console. The same thing here. I am going here. Okay, and without bug report. Okay, now my app is started here, so I had to do some more things here. So what I do, I'll close the app. Okay, so that I can start from first. So I say we have one more method called driver.terminate, so that I can close the app. I had to give the package name here, app package name. Okay, and now in this one I need to open the app. Okay, say as driver.activate app, the package name I need to provide. So I get some time so that we can see the process clearly. Okay, so I'm activating it. I once again, okay, I need to close in the second one. Okay, and this one I provide here to close my terminate with one, and then once again I need to activate the app here. It's third test. Okay, so I'll push this code in the Git. Okay, you can get the code from the Git here. Okay, so basically we need to use this reusable methods, but for demo purpose I am using in this way without creating any methods to reusable methods. Okay, the first test, okay, quickly go through it. So I have provided the setup before class. So I provided package name, activity name, and I provided the URL here, host and port of the Android server, appium server here. So in first test, what I am doing, I'm using screen recording with default options. Okay, and this is the flow. It click and stop recording, and it save it in the recording clip 1 mp4 format. Okay, and next one is the I'm recording the screen recording with the options here. I provide that with the timeline and with bitrate and video size and enable bug report. Okay, this is the second test. Okay, and in third one I provided with screen recording with options. Okay, with timeline, with bitrate and with video size. Okay, so I say instead of that one video size I'll provide the HD here. Okay, so when I go through it, it says 1280 into 720. I give as 1280 into 720. Okay, this is a HD, high definition. Yeah, so this is the HD, that is the standard definition video format. Okay, yeah, now we'll run this script. already my APM server is running. So what I'll do, I just close this one. I'll start the APM server once again. APM server is running. Okay, let's go to the script and click on start. We will run the code here. So I edit here and I run the code. Okay, the first screen record with the default options. Let's open the app, click on the views. Then it has to click on the animation, 3D transit, the first option, and it has to close the app. Okay, now second test will run with recording options, views, animation, 3D transit, and click on the river mode. This is with the options, bitrate 10 MB per second and video size with bug report. And now the app is closed, and once again activating the app. Click on views. So this is without bug report, animation, 3D transit, and Great Canyon, and terminate the app. That is close the app. Okay, now all three tests are passed. Now we see the result here. Okay, just refresh Eclipse. So we got the 3 recording clips. So we'll just go, we'll open the properties and then we go to the system directory and then we run this clip. The first one is the default options, recording with default options. This is the first recording. Okay, and the second recording with the options. So you see that in top corner you can see some information running on the end also. You can see this is the bug report. It has given some report here. Okay, at the end of the video, and you can see this video quality is not came properly here because we have used this standard definition resolution. It is different within the standard definition resolution. Okay, and the next video is with HD definition. See the quality of the video. Okay, so this is the HD resolution and this is the HD resolution, standard definition resolution. So that's why you see the quality of this video, how it is. And we have used this with bug report. Okay, this option we have used, and you can see the IND here, right? See, if you go to the code, okay, the second test we have used enable bug report. That's why it is showing it print the default log. Okay, and we are using the video size as a standard. Okay, the 640 into 480 is the standard definition resolution. Okay, and the third one we are using the high definition resolution, 1280 into 720. Okay, and I am not using any bug report here, means I am not using this option, enable bug report. Okay, so we not got any log, that is bug report, at the end of the video. Okay, this is the 3 options. Okay, we can able to use screen recording with the default screen recording, that is a start recording screen. I am not providing any options here. Okay, and I'm using the method called stop recording screen. Okay, I'm saying the output in a string
and then I am decoding it, and I am saving this file in the recording clip.mp4 format. Okay, same thing in the second test I am using with options, that is the bit rate and video size and with time limit and with enable bug report. Okay, and here in the third test I am using with time limit, with bit rate and with video size of HD definition resolution. Okay, if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to my channel. So keep learning and happy learning. Thank you. Bye.